Okay, and they're going again. Coming with you live. Stymies clears. Yeah! Jorge Posada and Chessman Michaels, the cowbell and the Ghost Skater. Stymies clears. Oh, they just slapped hands. You can't really see this on here, but he just fell. Way up there. Yep. Up there.
Holy shit!
He might make it. Oh, never mind. Good job, Jorge. Okay, here comes Chaz, the one that never quits. Pause. We get a better view. Oh no! Look, there goes Jorge. Gonna block his. Oh, he just fell again. Almost did. Oh no, he's gonna block him. There goes a tat. Oh no!
Oh! I need my hat or I lose my balance forever. Oh, fuck! I hurt my knee.
He fell in the puddle again. Your hat fell off.
Alright. One more round.